This video addresses the basics of reviewing a bankruptcy notice. This video is provided for general education purposes only. Always contact an attorney to receive accurate and up-to-date legal advice for your jurisdiction. Typically, a bankruptcy notice comes as 2 pages. One, the official Form B-9A and other related forms, and page 2 is generally a set of instructions. This B-9A form is for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. We receive a significant amount of inquiries from creditors that receive bankruptcy notices. There are always a lot of questions revolving how do I review and read the notice. The first question that this video addresses is where. Where was the bankruptcy filed? You'll find this at the top part of the form where it says United States Bankruptcy Court. The yellow highlighted area will list the specific court where the case was filed. The specific type of bankruptcy that was filed is also important. This will be shown next down on the form. You'll see highlighted in yellow, this particular form is for Chapter 7 filing. Generally, there are 3 types of bankruptcy filings or cases you'll see most often. Chapter 7, which is the liquidation, either individual or company. Chapter 11, reorganization, typically a company, it can be a larger income individual. And Chapter 13, which is an individual reorganization for someone with regular income. The next question is who? Who is the name of the debtor? You'll find this in about the middle area of the form, in the area that is currently highlighted in yellow. Bankruptcy cases are identified on a court's docket using a case number. You'll find the case number located next to the name of the debtor. Depending upon information that you may need, the name and contact information for the debtor's attorney may be important. You'll find this underneath the box we're listing the debtor's name. Another significant person in a bankruptcy proceeding is the trustee. You'll find the trustee's name and contact information in a box close to the name of the debtor. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy proceeding, typically a trustee will always be appointed. The meeting of creditors is also listed on the bankruptcy notice. The date, time, and location of the meeting is provided. You must also be aware when you receive a notice that there are actions that a creditor may not take because of an automatic stay in place when a bankruptcy is filed. The notice of this prohibition is also contained on the notice of the bankruptcy. The notice also provides information regarding the initial claim filings. Generally, in a Chapter 7 case, the notice of bankruptcy will contain information that a claim should not be immediately filed. But look at this section of the bankruptcy notice to make sure. This concludes the short review of the general information contained in a bankruptcy notice. This video is intended for general information only, and this video is not legal advice. Legal advice depends on specific facts and circumstances of each situation, and you should contact an attorney for legal advice. This video does not contain a complete description of bankruptcy or creditor's rights. Additionally, the law and form of notices change and vary from different jurisdictions. Always contact an attorney to receive accurate and up-to-date legal advice for your jurisdiction. If you have received a legal notice, protecting your rights may require you take action. If you do not act promptly, you may lose your right to recover money or property. Reviewing this video does not establish an attorney-client relationship. I hope this video provides the basic information for you on how to review a bankruptcy notice. Please take the necessary steps to protect your claims and interests.